Welcome. I am your training bot, Amy. In this video, you will see how to configure Linux or Unix system to send syslog to DNIF. You begin with installing the rsyslogd service on the host. Using grep command to show all the processes for all the users in the terminal. This is used to check whether rsyslogd process is running properly or not. Go to the path where the configuration file is present. To configure a host machine to send system logs, add a line to the rules section in the configuration file. Edit the file by adding @the rate to enable sending logs over UDP, followed by the IP address of the destination server, and port number 514. After adding the rule, save and close the file. Restart the rsyslogd service to apply the changes made in the configuration file. You can verify Linux log reception on the server by running a simple TCP dump command, where the command will start capturing everything: N for name resolution, VV for verbose output, A for ASCII format, I for interface, ENP0S3 is the interface name, and port number 514. You can see the incoming log events from the source. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. But wait, it never ends until Amy tells a joke. What did one shark say to the other while eating a clownfish? This tastes funny. Ha ha ha, that was funny, see you around.